have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my grilled honey mustard chicken, and it is delicious, perfect for this spring holiday that is coming about. Anyway, I'll have all of your ingredients listed below. So in a bowl, I've added in some dried parsley, some dried basil, some salt, some pepper, some creole seasoning. I'm gonna add in some Dijon mustard, some whole grain mustard, a little bit of regular mustard. You can add in some minced garlic if you like, some smoked paprika, some salt, some pepper, granulated onion, granulated garlic. I added in some truffle oil. I'm combining all of this. I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil as well and a little bit of regular mustard. And I'm gonna mix all of that together. And I've also added in the honey. I think I forgot to mention the honey. Gotta have the honey. It wouldn't be honey mustard without the honey. Anyway, you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now. It's a way for YouTube to know I'm here, and it's a free way to support the channel. Anyway, now I've added in my chicken that I have washed with some vinegar. I've added the marinade into the chicken, on the chicken. If you wanted to, you can hold some of the marinade back so you can brush it over the chicken as it's grilling. I am going to marinate this overnight. I want my chicken breast to absorb all of the wonderful seasonings that you see here, but at least marinate it for an hour to absorb some of the flavoring. And then if you brush the marinade over it, it's going to be delicious. But you guys will wait for absolutely nothing. As always, here is that chicken. I put it on the grill. I would say it was like yum, 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 but it's not done. So it's kind of disgusting. Anyway, I'm going to let this cook for 7 minutes on each side until it's done, or until it's 165 degrees internal temperature. Anyway, it's already done, and I'm still talking about the chicken on the grill. Anyway, you guys, this chicken is so delicious. Your family is gonna love it. I wanna tell you thank you, and thank you for watching. And as always, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.